The project highlights, I would like to see things that you did on your own. Remember, guys, what you put into project highlights doesn't have to be something that you did for a company. It could be something that you researched on your own, right? And it's the same framework that I've talked about in some of my other videos, where go out there, get your own data, create your own hypotheses, determine the models and the experiments you need to work with that hypothesis, write the code for it, look at the results, and interpret those results in some sort of an article, some sort of a posting or something that you publish, right? Follow that pattern and emphasize that pattern in the project highlights. I researched a study that had 500 respondents. I tested 4 different models. I determined the neural network was the best approach. Here's what the neural network told me, and here's what those results mean to the business or to the world or to society or whatever, you know, is relevant for that particular data, right? Write that and publish it. Publish it on LinkedIn, publish it on X. X has a great article feature now.